Why do you want to go in the refrigerator? Why? No, you can't go in there. No. 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 You can't go in the refrigerator. You're not allowed in there. Why do you want to go in there for? Why? 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 What? 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 No. 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 You. No, you can't go in the refrigerator. You can't. No. No, there's nothing in there for you. There's nothing in there. We don't keep cat food in the refrigerator.